Now I will show you how you can add manually content. Simply you just need to click on home page, and after this you just need to click on quick action, and after this different options are available like import content, add a single content, and connect integration if you have a HubSpot, Zipper, create automation, and create SMS. And now I will show you how to add a single content. And after this you just need to write the email address, first name, last name, and different more options are available. And now you can see that I just write the email address, first name, last name, and address. Anything information that you have, you should write here. For example, date of birth. So in this way we can also send a birthday message to your targeted audience, your customer, your colleagues, and your partners. And here you just need to write the name of the company, and here you can add a tag. For example, this person is hot lead customer, and different things are available. So you can also create a new tag. For example, if you think that these tags are not beneficial for you, like a customer, staff, influencer, so you can also create a new tag. How you can create a new tag? Simply you just need to write the tag name. For example, I'm just writing here hot lead, or you can write anything according to your requirement. For example, potential and potential buyer, supplier. So different tag you can make according to your requirement. If you think that it's a supplier, you can just write the supplier. If it's a customer, you can also write the customer. So different tag you can create according to your requirement. You can also write, for example, I'm just putting here the best customer, and just create a tag. And now you can see that different more tags are available you can use according to your requirement. Once you are satisfied, then you just need to click on add tags. And now different more things are available, like this person gave me permission to mail them. You just need to check these inboxes, and after this you just need to click on add content. And now your content is ready. You just need to click on your audience dashboard, or from here you can also click on audience, and from here you just need to click on tags. And now I just save my targeted audience in best customer. You just need to click on view, and from here different options are available. You can export as a CSV file, you can send a regular email, send A/B testing campaign, plan text. So different options are available you can use according to your requirement. And now this is my best customer, and you can also send the directly email if you want. And now you can see that different more options are available, like a column option, export segment. So different options are available. If you want to click on column, if you want to first name, last name, email address, and phone number, from here you can click here. And if you want to send email, simply you just need to click on send campaign. And here now you can see that now I am using a free version. Now you can see that I can only choose from sketch or from basic layout, or you can also choose fully designed template. So it totally depends on you. You can also choose from sketch, you can also choose from fully designed. And now I am showing you again so you totally understand. Tags, and then you just need to open the tags, your targeted tags, and after this you need to select your target audience, and then send campaign. For example, from here I am just clicking here the basic layout, and now different layouts are available. You can choose according to your requirement. For example, I am just clicking here the first one, and here you just need to upload your logo, and you can also add the link of your website in a logo, because some people use this one. Here you just need to click on add link, and different options are available. You can also use landing page, survey, file, phone, email. So different options are available, and after this you just need to click on your website and copy the URL of your website and then paste here. And now you can also change the image, and if you want to delete this one, you can also delete this one. And from here you can design your template. For example, I am just pasting here the headline, and now you can see that. From here you can also bold the content, and different more options are available. You can increase the size. Now you can see that. So it totally depends on you. You can also decrease and increase size according to the requirement. And now you can see that. And here is a background. You can also change the background according to your requirement. And now you can see that. So different options are available. You can choose all these according to your requirement. And from here you can also add the button. From here you can also click the URL of your website, or anything you can add here according to your requirement. For example, this time just adding my website, and other social media is available like Facebook, Instagram and X. So you can also attach these platforms in your email. And once you are satisfied, and then you just need to click on save and exit. For example, this time I'm just testing this mail, and from here I just need to write the email for test, and now I am sending here. And now soon I will receive this email. And now you can see that I just received email, and now you can see that how it look like. And now it's uploading. Now it will take a few minutes, and after this it will be uploaded. And now you can see that. For example, I'm just clicking here the allow, and now you can see that. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click on save and exit. And after this simple procedure, here you just need to write the subject lines, send now. You just need to write the content. So different things are available. And once you done this one, for example, you just need to write the subject line. After this, you can just click on send now, and different times are available. You can choose according to your requirement. You can also schedule this mail, and now you can see that. And if you want to upgrade the content, because this time for this video I am using a free version, and now you can see that. So different options are available. Once you are satisfied, then you just need to click on send. So in this way you can send the email to your target audience. And now I will tell you most important point, why I am getting this mail in junk folder. And now you can see that if I just click here allow, and then it will show the images and all the content. Why I am getting this mail in a junk folder, why I am not getting in a primary folder? The reason is very simple, because for this Mailchimp I did not authentication my email, and now you can see that I did not verify my domain. That is why I am just getting this mail in a junk folder. But in another case, now you can see that authentication is okay, and when I will send the email from this account, I will get in a primary folder, not a junk folder. So this is very important. When you start email marketing, first authenticate your domain. And without authentication, without verification, if you send the email to your target audience, then your audience will get mail in a junk folder or in spam folders. So hope you understand.